These are some of the parts of an animal cell. The cell membrane helps control what enters and leaves the cell. The nucleus controls most of the cell's activities. A vacuole stores food, water, minerals, and wastes. Cytoplasm is a gelatin-like substance that contains many chemicals that the cell needs. A mitochondrion converts food energy into a form that the cell can use. Chromosomes are in the nucleus. They contain DNA, a chemical that determines which traits an organism will have.